As I was saying, I already got the patches. I finally got the patches sewn on to my dress uniforms of my rate, which, if you don't know, I'm an airframer, an AM aviation structural mechanic. So now I'm getting all of that dry cleaned. But I got 2 more packages. So let's unbox them. I'm gonna do the Amazon one first because honestly, I don't know what that UPS one is. So I also still have not received my Shein order, so kind of pressed. Definitely gonna talk to customer service after this. But okay, so the first thing I got is another tripod because the tripod I used to have, like I said, that shit got lost in the fucking beach when I was taking care of drunk people. So I got a new one, and this one like is like is very compact, but it can get very long, and like so you can take better pictures, like when I'm actually standing up. I have a lot of trash. I need to today was supposed to be a cleaning day, but bitch, I was tired as fuck. I've been tired for the last couple of days. What the fuck is this? Is this a remote? I don't know. Oh. Okay. Oh, love that. So this is a tripod. You use this to make it wider or bigger or whatever the fuck. If you hear running in the background, they're doing McMap right now, so for the Marines. I don't know how to, oh, there you go. Okay, comes with a little remote that you can attach on this, which is actually fucking amazing because I'd probably have lost it like immediately. What else? There's this thing to like move this shit. Also, I'm going to Pensacola tomorrow. I'm finally gonna be able to see my friend one last time before she leaves and I leave. But so I'm super excited. But this is how this goes, and then how do you extend the legs? Oh shit. There you go. Big ass tripod. Oh shit. Okay. Ooh. Fuck. Hold on. Guys, I am all over the place. I'm sorry. Let's just make it a little bit smaller. There you go. Just have it like that. So I got a new tripod. Thank God. I very much needed a new one. And then I got my new AirPod case. Hopefully this one fits, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna fucking so let's see. Okay, this is the one that I got. Oh, belay my last. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so this is one that I got. It's this blue, gold, and white, because y'all know my aesthetic is kind of blue right now. Love that. It comes with the little wristband thing, and then it comes with the little keychain thing. Don't know what the fuck this is. So yeah. But let's put it in. Oh, yay, it fits. Cool. So let me put that in right now. Go. And let's make sure I do this the right way. Oh, it has it labeled for you, front side. I fucking love that. Okay. Fuck me in the dick hole. Okay, well, I'll just take that shit off later. Fuck. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay. I put this on wrong. Guys, fuck me. Obviously it says front side, and I definitely did not put it on the front side, so how am I gonna take this out? Oh, maybe that's what this stick was for, is to push it out. Perhaps, maybe, I don't, or maybe it's just a stand. I don't know, but we're gonna try. Oh. I'm gonna kill myself if I can't take this out. Oh, got it. Okay, now let's do this the right way. See, that comes in handy. See, now you can see the light, and now this button thingy is in the back. There you go. Smart girl. Of course, it doesn't come off, right? Fuck. Anyway, I got this cute thing now. I'm actually gonna put on this one. This is what it looks like. Please ignore the tape right there. I will remove that later. Yay, it's so cute. It's so cute. I'm so obsessed. And I'm so happy that it fit. Okay. Now let's open the UPS one, because I literally have no idea what it is. I don't remember ordering anything else. And I'm hoping... Oh, this is my halter monitor. That's what it is. Yeah, it's probably my sick girl monitor that I'm gonna have to wear on my chest like a dumbass freak because my heartbeat acting up. And wants to be a little pussy bitch. So I can get this fucking open. Yeah, so I've been having a lot of chest pains and difficulty with breathing and shit when I'm running, especially with like an elevation or like weights. So okay, so this is from Houston, Texas. Okay, yeah, Eglin Air Force cardiology thingy thing. Cool. So it's basically, a Holter monitor is basically like a portable EKG machine. So I'm probably gonna do this tomorrow because I have to like call a number so that they can help me set it up. Basically it's a monitor that's gonna be on my chest or on my side. Maybe it's on my side. And then all the little EKG strips will go on my body and then connect to the monitor and like monitor my heart rhythm and kind of everything that happens. So, oh, it's not that big. Okay, I thought I was gonna be wearing like a giant monitor, but I guess not. This is a remote. Okay. And I have 3 of them. Body Guardian mini strip. So this is what it looks like, and I guess I'm just gonna attach it like on my heart or something. I don't know. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Anyway, yeah. I'm not sure if, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video because I really wanted to like unpackage my Shein haul as well, but it does not look like it's coming anytime soon. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little unboxing. I know it's kind of all over the place and the footage was not the best because I didn't have a tripod to actually like, so it can actually look good, but you know, Apple unboxings are always my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.